Actually, it didn't get off that week. It got off the week
right.
after, but it should have got there plenty of time.
Some guys posted that you have to
Roger wants to be serious.
I told Ed to get the letter, but he probably never got it.
Not a problem with me.
Good deal.
Hey Mark, some people have to rely on their equipment, some people have to rely on their shooting ability. Damn straight.
That's what matters. He was in and out a lot trying to get him nailed down, and I was afraid he might not have, but I didn't know. I left the notes back here.
look at the schlong on that.
I know.
Stand by.
No, there's each one of those plates has two holes in it, and then there's two.
That ought to be illegal.
Are you ready? Stand by. Are finished, unload and show clear. You're clear. Hammer down. Flag in. Ready. Stand by.
Look at that damn thing.
Gained it up. You saw that.
He had to do it.
How do you shoot those things from
Okay, short barrel Saiga. You want to trade? You don't want to trade?